Hello everyone. Today I decided to do something whole new about my videos, and it's not the sound quality, it still sucks, but I'll start a challenge. As you all know, I have accomplished a 150k account funded, and my vacation is coming up. So the next 10 days will decide whether I earn enough payouts to take my family to a vacation to Greece, not by gambling, not by taking bigger risk, but by following my trading plan. I don't have a specific set of setups since I trade the price action in the manner of Al Brooks. Some may be familiar with it. It's about reading the market cycle and reading bar by bar, basically placing the trades as the price action develops and unfolds. And well, a lot of trade management. So every day from now on, the next 10 days, I will break down my analysis and my trades as I did it in the live videos, but hopefully this will be the one funded account that will eventually give me enough payouts to do something good for my family and me. I'll call it the Greece challenge or something. So what I do in this video is I make a price action analysis from scratch. You see I have a lot of levels marked in here. I will basically erase them all and start anew, just for you to follow how I see the market and to get better at what I do. I must warn you from the beginning, this is not one of those soothing videos where a guru talks to you and say, oh, you can do it too. What I have done isn't very hard. I'm not everything I do, you can do too, and just follow the plan and blah blah. This is straight up technical analysis, and as I said, it's a lot of work, it's very hard, it's not easy. I've been doing this for my 5th year now, and I start to see results slowly. That being said, let's just jump right into it. So I will start with the daily chart, just for, I will remove the settings, the charts, the data, just for a clearer view. So I did say I start from scratch, so I will start from scratch. What we see in the daily chart is here an uptrend. We had, this is the Nasdaq by the way, NQ, I trade NQ mini contract. So what we saw here was a continuation in the future contract to the upside. There's a trend line, and this could be some kind of trend channel line. So we don't see much further information, but this here is called the trend channel line overshoot. And what else do we have here? We have a triangle. I'll stick with the closest, just make them nice, visible. These are the closest, they are here. And also there you see it sloped downward and broke eventually to the downside. There was a retest of this level here. Let's just mark the level. This is a very nice clear level. Stick to it something there. Why is this level important for me? You see it broke through here with a pull bar, then it got tested enough to the upside, test down, hesitation, broke to the upside, tested down, hesitation, so this level is an important level for me. Now we have another level that I'd like to observe the next days. This is right there, the closest respected this level as well. Another level is maybe there somewhere. I think you get the idea. So we have this triangle broke down to the downside and started a continuation. Well, what's a possible scenario? It could go down here to the bottom of the channel and can do it in many different ways. Since we broke down off this level here, there could be also people just aggressively buying this bear bar, and we get up tomorrow like there or there, just raise up. Because this is also a kind of wedge to the downside, and you know it often happens, something that's called a fake out. You go down and you just in the blink of an eye go back in there again. So this is nothing I would sell on the spot. Even though this would be a pretty okay sell, it was a bear bar, but not a very good bear bar. This could also be just a wedge to the downside, continuation to the upside, somewhere to these levels over there. Trading range behavior. You see we had something similar there, a very strong bear bar. Let's focus on this one. To the downside, and it got bought, just like here, gap up, got bought, and developed in a very prolonged trading range. And yeah, so now we just do one more thing. I will mark the close of the previous day and the low of the previous day and label it. Last day's close. And last day's low. So when we go back to the 5-minute chart, we will see last day's close and last day's low, and I also do last day's high, last day's open, and since this level is the same since the last day's high, I will just let it slide. So now we're in the 5-minute chart. Let's see if these levels that I just marked have something to add. And there is indeed something I would like to add here. This level. This level seems to be of some kind of importance. Make it the same color as the other one, and then I find which color I took. I think it's okay. We can go with this one. You see, there's the market respected this level pretty much, and also there somewhere is a level I'd like to address because it got tested here, breakout to the upside, breakout to the upside, and then test, and this is a failed double bottom bull flag that broke out to the downside. Here a trading range, breakout to the downside, but you see there's a lot of buying as well. Let's see how this works out. So now we have a strong breakdown, and hesitation, buying and selling. Still, this is a wedge to the upside and wedges to the upside, breakdown to the downside. This is an EMA gap bar, and it was good enough for a scalp, but it immediately reversed. Then we have another wedge up continuation. Let's see how this unfolds in the next trading day. Great. So what I had in mind for this series is just see my performance stats. This is the second day I will actually trade this account. Just see it so you can see it too. So the first day was a break-even day. Nothing special about this one. I tried to position myself short, but I got stopped out several times and the move eventually took off. But I was done for the day, and I was with 2 break-even or 3 break-even trades out. So this is actually a break-even day. And now we're going for Monday. Let's see how it works out. I will let you guys stay tuned, and well, yeah, have a great day today, have a great rest of the weekend, and see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.